Alright, so this is the eye rig. It's still in the early stages. Working on the up and down part right now. And if you look in the back of the head, I'll pull this out. It's kind of small, so. But in the head there is a square tube. One of these that is anchored in the head. That's what I use to mount the eye rig on. If you see on the eye rig, here's the pivot point. See, the pivot needs to be along the center of the eyes there, center of the eyes there. And this here is the part that gets anchored. That just slides right on top of that. And I do this because I have to take the eyes out, put them back in and out a lot of times during the process. I don't actually paste them in or epoxy them in until I'm actually assembling the head, because they're just in the way. So that part starts with the eye tray, and these screws need to be in exactly, halfway across the center of the eye. And then this is the other piece. This is the part that gets bolted in the middle. And how I line that up, I just put that little set across there. This isn't the right size. And if you use the screws that kind of have, this is a Phillips and a regular screw head, if you can see that. But it makes a nice straight line across. I will then center this and then epoxy that in place. And that gives you the post. But the post itself then needs the pivot. And that's just another piece, another bigger piece that'll go on here. And I have to pause this to do this because it'll take a minute.